Allegedly, French philosopher Sartre stated, quote, "Words are loaded pistols," end of quote. Now that bullet can be vicious in its delivery. So what happens when someone questions, why is knowledge power? Now what should happen is that we use our words as weapons, which is a metaphor for providing a good answer. Now a female friend did ask me this question. The following is a romanticized response. Knowledge is power because our ancestors used fire to cook meat, to destroy bacteria, and it kept away predators, and it gave us the ability to be visible in the dark. According to some, fire improved the way we digested food, which had the positive impact of bigger brains. Therefore, the knowledge of cooking using fire had a massive evolutionary impact. Also, our ancestors used knowledge of language to teach each other how to make stone tools. Language was an effective method of communication, which partly allowed our ancestors to hunt effectively in large groups. So we can see straight away that knowledge for our ancestors was power because it paved the way for their evolution and survival. To further evidence knowledge is power, we just have to look at some inventions. The aeroplane, aspirin, or any form of effective medication, the cell phone, a clock, a microphone, the pyramids, the internet, virtual reality, and so forth. So to me, the philosopher Francis Bacon was right. Knowledge is power.